mascara first and then curl their lashes. So I'm curling my lashes. So I'm curling my lashes using this lash. Ultimately, Leo's own hubris is that does not. Leos are renowned for their stability. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something super fun. Zodiac sign makeup challenge. What is that? There are some makeup looks based on your zodiac sign, your eye makeup, your lip shade, your eyebrow shape, your hairstyle, and even your outfit, your jeans, and your shoes and sunglasses. Totally crazy. So my sign is Leo. I was born on 14 August 94. Do I look like a Leo? Gonna be so interesting. It took me a little while to search things related to zodiac sign, and I finally decided to give myself a zodiac sign makeover, and I really love how this look came out. Without further ado, let's get into the video. So if you are a Leo, you are most likely to like pumpkin spice hot chocolate. But trust me, I never tasted it, but it sounds really amazing. Definitely give it a try, and I love chocolate. So do you guys think according to your zodiac sign, this is your drink? This is what you actually like? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be a part of my YouTube family. So for the makeup, first I'm gonna take all my hairs at back to stop them getting into my mouth, my eyes, and my nose. First I'm gonna do my brows, so let's see what kind of brows does Leo have. Take a look at these brows. Aries, Scorpio and Leo have arched brows. I have arched brows, but I surely have some sparse area between them, but when I do my brows, this is the exact thing what I get. So I'm gonna first apply primer on my face. I always use this primer from Color Essence, rubbing it all over my face for smooth finish. This really makes me feel so fresh. Over that, I'm gonna use Fit Me foundation from Maybelline. Shade is 115 Ivory. Blending it all over my face using this beauty blender. Then I'm applying concealer in 01 Lightweight. This is from Color Essence. I use it in my every video. On my under eyes, bridge of my nose, middle of my forehead, and my chin. Blending it really well. Contouring my face using eyebrow drawing palette from Hilary Dora and applying it on my cheeks, my jawline, to shape my nose, and on the forehead. So quickly done with the base. Now I'm going to match my eyebrows with my zodiac eyebrows, creating a nice little arch here and taking it down from this side, filling the sparse areas, shaping it nicely using this spoolie. So eyebrows are exactly the same, isn't it crazy? Next, coming to the eyeshadow that you should be wearing, supposedly this one. Do you think the shape of your eyes is actually matching with your zodiac sign? I think mine is actually matching with the Leo eye shape here. Narrow from the inner corners and wide from the outer side. But I think the eyeshadow of Leo is inspired from the lion. But when I first look at this picture, I think that came into my mind was, oh, sunset eye makeup. And I realized that these are the shades taken from the colors of lion. So I'm starting with the light color as my transition shade, and I'm taking yellow from this palette. This is Elvin 80 Colors eyeshadow, and applying it over my crease line. So if we talk about the personality traits of Leo, I have actually everything noted here to tell you more about Leo. This fixed sign is known for its ambition and determination. True. Leos are celebrated for their remarkable bravery. In tarot, Leo is represented by the Strength card, which depicts the divine expression of physical, mental and emotional fortitude. Applying same color on the under eye. Fearless optimist who refused to accept failure. True, I've never seen failure in my life. Leos will find their deep wells of courage grow as they mature. taking this orange shade here and applying it on my crease line. Leos are renowned for their stability, loyalty and consistency. True, I am loyal, I am stable, I am consistent. That's my nature. They are dedicated friends and lovers who put their heart into every relationship. True. What I have read till now is totally true according to my personality, according to what I feel for myself. Creating a thin line from the same shade. I'm gonna take this red shade and applying it under that orange shade. They can become impaired by their ego, pride and jealousy when they start to fear their star power. Yes, I'm a little egoistic, but it totally depends on the situation. Everything I'm reading is not 100% true for everyone who is Leo. It totally depends upon the situation in which you are and what kind of people you have around you. Taking little bit more and making it more darker. Blending everything out with the same brush, and what I'm gonna do to this part is apply whatever is left in this brush. I've used the same brush for all the shades. I have lots of fallouts, so I'm using my Oriflame compact and covering the fallouts with it. It's important for Celestial Lions to remember that their light is never obscured by others and the bright shine of others' success does nothing to their own. Okay. Ultimately, Leo's own hubris is the greatest threat to their happiness. Oh. Applying kajal from L18 on my lower lash line. Just a thin line, not much, because I'm gonna match this eye shade with my Zodiac eye shade. Line thin line using L18 eyeliner really close to my waterline. And I'm creating a really tiny ring from here. That's it. This is pretty cool. Eyelashes are not at all dramatic, so I'm not going to apply falsies. Instead of that, I'm just going to use my mascara on my lashes. Lions are natural leaders and they enjoy cultivating friendships and romances that are artistically and creatively inspired. Yes, I'm creative, you can see. After all, every Leo perceives him or herself as a celebrity. Little bit. These astrological divas never get tired of lavish dinners, exclusive parties or decent designer wear. Yes, I loved going out for dinners, I love parties, I love to get dressed up really nicely. So I'm curling my lashes using this lash curler and bending it above a little bit. You can see the difference. And yeah, in mostly YouTube tutorials, what I have seen that they curl their lashes first and then apply mascara. But what I personally do, I apply mascara first and then curl my lashes, because I personally feel that after applying mascara, your lashes become little harder and curling the harder lashes gives you a good curl. That's my opinion. I think I'm done with the eyes. It's pretty much same. And I'm excited for the next thing. Next thing I'm gonna do is my lips. For the lips, I found this. Lip shade of Leo is copper light brown mixed with some golden shine over it. So I'm gonna use this lipstick. I don't know from where it is. This is how it looks. And applying it all over my lips. Actually, I'm gonna mix 2 to 3 shades to get this perfect lip look. It smells amazing. It smells like chocolate. It's a natural daily wear kind of lipstick. I can talk while applying lipstick. I'm so talented. Over that, I'm gonna use this Lakme Aqua Shine lip color, and I'm sorry this removed. Apply on lips for a smooth glossy finish. Okay. You have to twist it like this. It comes out and I'm dabbing it on my lips. For some extra golden shine over my lips, I'm gonna take this eye shade here and dabbing it on my lips just a little bit on the center. Lips are matching with this shade. I did it. I'm actually loving this look. This is so nice. So now I have done with the makeup, this Leo makeup, and now I am heading to my hairs. Every zodiac has their specific hairstyle. Now I'm gonna check it out. So my hairstyle is this one, twisted hairs from the side, tied in the middle at the back. So what I did when I get out of the shower today, I took a lot of serum on my hairs and did like this to get this natural waves. The natural waves here, and I'm gonna take my hairs from this side and taking just a piece this much, taking two sections and twisting it over one another, securing it using this pin. This really hurts. I'm not going to use this. This is comfortable. The second part, taking two sections of it, and this is my Leo hairstyle. Used to do this when I was a teenager, so my hairstyle is actually matching my zodiac hairstyle. For the top, when I found out this picture, I was so surprised because I have the exact same top. I bought this last year. Here it is. Same yellow top, crop top, round neck and half sleeves. The exact, I have not used it yet. Of the jeans, so the jeans is right here, white rugged jeans. Let me show you what I have. White jeans with rug. Here it is. Exact same top, the exact same jeans. Isn't that crazy? So the next thing is shoes. So Leo shoes are white in color with black tape. These are my shoes. This is little different from that one, but it's almost the same, white in color and has laces. For those who know me personally, they know I wear it every time. Zodiac layers are these: redder in polished gold, sociable, splashy, tireless, and these are my hairs. I think this is exactly the same. Two shades right here, brown and this light blue. So I have these, I have everything that matches my zodiac sign. The coincidence? I don't know. So I'm gonna put on my outfit and I'll be back with full Leo attire look. So now I am here with full Leo attire in front of you all. Yellow crop top, white rug jeans with the glares and hair, the shoes and with the full makeup. I am actually loving this look. So I hope you like and enjoy this look. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.
बेटे गंदे लोग क्या करते हैं?
गाली बकते हैं।
कैसे बकते हैं बताना जरा।
मैं नहीं बताऊंगा।
क्यों नहीं बताओगे?
मैं गंदा हो जाऊंगा।
अच्छा, गाली बकने से गंदे हो जाते हैं।
Thank you so much for watching. If you want to hang out more with me, click on this videos, my previous video and my random video.